In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. Even if you're a beginner or you are broke and have no money. Yes. That's right. You don't need any money to do this method. Go to YouTube. Search for. Then sign up to this website. Go back to YouTube. Watch some videos until the end. And collect your earnings. Now, you have to admit you watch YouTube videos every single day. But I will give you a way to get paid while watching those absolutely free YouTube videos. And you can take a look at some of the payment proof right here. This is $48 directly to PayPal. Then another $68 right here. All in one single day while watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries around the world. And they accept different payment options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Pioneer and Skrill. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Here I will be posting online make money strategies and business ideas as well as tools to help you grow your channel. Let's start with a step-by-step tutorial. I will explain to you everything. So you should follow along with me while I complete. And do not miss any step. By the end of this video, I will give an extra bonus secret to increase your earning. So keep watching to the end of the video. And by the end of this video, you will be ready to start making money. So definitely the best option for you is to follow along with me. Follow all of the steps and stay tuned until the end of the video to maximize your results. And we will start with the step number 1. And that is to come over to YouTube. Now, right before I show you how you can get paid like this for those YouTube videos, there's something that we need to set up. And that is to come over to YouTube and you want to search for different keywords. You want to search, for example, for keyword that's popular. Maybe that can be funny pets. Whatever you can think of. That's just for one particular niche. So what do you usually watch on YouTube? But make sure it's a popular keyword. Let's say you may be watching pet videos. What you can do is you can search for funny pets and just search for that and leave it open like that. We will get back to this page in a minute. Now, the next thing you get to do is to sign up to a website called shrinkme.io. And this is the website that we'll be using to get paid just for watching these videos on YouTube. And you will see exactly how this works. Now, you want to come over to shrinkme.io and create an absolutely free account by clicking on the register button right here. Now, if you're wondering what this actually is, well, this is a link shortening website. Which means that you can grab any URL, any link for anything and you can put it right here and they will shorten it for you. And whenever someone clicks on your link, you will get paid. As you can see in this case, you will get paid $220 per 10,000 views. Or $22 per 1,000 clicks. Or $2.20 per 100 clicks. But you will see exactly how this works and exactly how you are making money from watching your videos. Now, the reason we are using ShrinkMe and not any other link shortening service is because they have a low minimum payout, which is only $5. So you can reach $5 in like just a couple of minutes and then you will be able to cash out directly through PayPal or any other payment option you prefer. So you don't have to wait around for months to get paid. You can literally get paid today either through PayPal bank transfers or whatever you prefer. You can select any of those payment options. After I click on the register button to create an absolutely free account, this is how it will look like. You will create your account by creating a unique username for your account. And that can be anything you prefer. I will go with my channel name TESTLO as a username. Then you will enter your email address right here and create a password for your account. Retype the same password and click I'm not a robot and you can agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Of course after that just click a register. And then this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings so you can see the total views you got, the total earnings. So how much money you actually made from those YouTube videos. And then here in the left hand side, you will be able to withdraw your money. Now, the reason I search for funny pets keyword is because pets are really popular. It is a trending like Take a look at this. This video was posted 10 months ago and it already has 35 million views. This one, a week ago, it already has 2 million views. So a lot of people are interested in funny pets, and I mean, those videos are just fun to watch. So it's not going to be really hard to make money with this. All you need to do is search for such a popular keyword. The like pets or anything you can think of that you usually watch. And it is really popular in my case. That's once again going to be funny pets. So I will open up one of these videos, and I will collect the money. And whatever we need to do is just to watch it all the way till the end and just pay attention that it's a good video. So just sit, relax, have fun, watch the video, enjoy those videos, and then I'll show you how ShrinkMe will pay you just for doing that. So for now, your job is to just watch those fun trendy video until the end and make sure they are good. Once you're done watching the video and you saw it's a good one, I want you to copy the URL of that YouTube video that you think it was good and interesting and fun. Just copy the URL, then go back to ShrinkMe dashboard. Go back to ShrinkMe and click here. He says a new shorten link. Now you just want to base yourself for that video right here and just click a short, and that's, as you can see, going to give you a short link that takes people to the YouTube video. When someone clicks into that link, you will get paid again and again and again, and you will see exactly how that will make you money. So now just copy that shortened YouTube link. And then you will come over to a website called petforums.com. You will find the link in description. And this is the website that will set everything on autopilot for us, so we can watch those YouTube videos in peace. And by using this website, you can get payments every single day just like this. You can see this is a real payment proof on the website. People are being paid every single day. Anyway, this website is a forum where people come to discuss all about pets and stuff. And the reason we are using this forum in particular is because this website is getting over thousands monthly visits. So every single month over thousands people are using this website. And if you do the math, that can end up being a lot of clicks, and we can get paid a lot of money from those clicks. And the reason we are choosing only popular topics on YouTube is because that way you can attract more clicks. And that way you can earn more money. So the more popular videos you watch, the more money you can make. Now, I want you to come over the Pet Forum website, where, as I said, people discuss all about pets. So I will register in the website. You will be able to see that people are interested in pets and discuss it right here in this forum every single hour. Now, how can we actually attract them to click on our links so we can make money from this? How can we attract them to click on our shortened link that takes people to this YouTube video? After you register, you can create your own post. You need just to post something attractive like an update about the pets, and then leave the link to the video below your post. I will just write in the title, Best Funny Pets Moments. And in the description, Our pets have their funny moments. Click here to watch the best funny pets moments. And post it. People can see it. They will be interested, and once they read the post they click on the link. I will get paid again and again. Because as you saw, many people are using this website. So I can reach out to hundreds of thousands of people and get thousands and thousands of click on one of my posts. The bonus that will make you earn more and more money is ShrinkMe Referral Program. This is a great way to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings. For this, you can use this link and send it to your friends and family members. And if you have a website, you can use this codes and you can get money whenever someone register via your link. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to murder that like button. And make sure to subscribe for more making money online methods.